Here we go. Winter is so very close. In fact, I'd say you can probably smell it, at least see it here on the way on satellite and radar. Some rain coming into the I-5 corridor. The Olympic Mountain is going to be wet today, but the storm that's bringing the precipitation now will bring some more of it as we move through the week. Today, I would say one of the less impactful days in terms of winter weather, but we still have a stripe of snow that we're looking at across northern Montana and into southern Alberta and British Columbia as well. As we move through the week, though, the system that's driving the precipitation, well, it's just going to get bulkier in terms of snowfall as this system pushes to the east. It's this big dip in the jet stream. It's going to bring in cooler weather. It's like opening the door for winter to say hello. And in terms of snowfall, it is going to be a bit rough and tumble as we look across the northwest, especially the interior northwest and the north central states. Travel is going to be a bit rough as we move through this week, really today, tomorrow, and Thursday, especially with windy conditions, chilly conditions, and again, accumulating snowfall. I'm not talking about a flake or two. I'm talking about a few inches, even for some of our lower elevations. Take a look at the map, for example. If you live in the stick of Idaho, as you're getting up into the Bitterroot Range, we could see anywhere from 3 to 6 inches, and then you move out across the 90 corridor toward Helena, Montana, and through the center of the state, and all of a sudden, you're looking at a quick 6 to 12. That goes for northern North Dakota as well, so keep that in mind. Look, it's not too abnormal for this time of year, but it is something we are going to be tracking quite closely. Let's dig into that AccuWeather Wintercast. You know, this is the first time I've been able to use this year, and I'm not going to lie to you. I'm a bit excited about it because I love winter, but if you don't, let's prepare you for it either way. Great Falls, Montana, 4 to 8 inches of snow expected between 9 p.m. on Tuesday, so tonight, and 1 a.m. on Friday. We'll go from Great Falls into Billings, where it's a similar situation, 4 to 8 expected this time, though, from 10 p.m. until midnight on Friday. Of course, we're going to keep a close eye on those numbers and the chill for that matter. Take a look at those AccuWeather real field temperatures. You'll only find those here and on AccuWeather.com, the AccuWeather Network, and the AccuWeather app. So keep that in mind as you move through this week. These numbers are awfully low once you get to Helena and Billings, looking at 0 to 10. That's how it's going to feel outside. And once you get across the border into the Great White North, that's where we're looking at AccuWeather real field temperatures below 0. Stay warm and stay safe.